How to turn on or turn off show notifications preview on tap only in standby mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on standby. So it's up here, tap on standby. Then make sure you turn on show notifications. Once that is turned on, an additional menu item will appear. In here, you can choose to show or hide preview on tap only. So if you turn it on, it will show preview on tap only. Otherwise, if you switch it off, then it can show notification preview. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.